cocktail I like to demonstrate now is called old-fashioned. Most of classic cocktails, when we talk about, their age is about 100 years old, plus minus, okay? But this old-fashioned has invented in early 1800s, so this is really old, so it deserves to be called old-fashioned, okay? This is a very simple drink. It contains a rye whiskey or bourbon. This morning I decided to use Bourbon Whiskey, No Creek Kentucky Bourbon Whiskey. If you use Bourbon Whiskey as to rye whiskey, it has slightly sweeter taste, and then you need to have a good quality sugar. I picked Rapadura sugar. This is unrefined sugar from South America. Since it did not use any chemical, it has more flavor to it compared to raw sugar or white sugar. And then you need good quality of bitters, and I picked Angostura bitters this morning. Okay, so let's do that. I have a chilled glass, okay? And you just put a bit of sugar, okay? Not too much, because this drink doesn't contain any citrus, so if you use a little bit more of sugar, it can be quite sweet, okay? And then you add a few dash of bitters, okay? And you add just plain water, maybe about 5 to 10 ml. And then you use your bar spoon. The aroma from the bitters is really good, okay? Okay, it's ready. So now you add 2 shots, which is 60 ml of bourbon, 30, 60, and stir it again to make sure. Okay. And now you add orange and lemon zest. Okay. You face that skin towards the glass and you express the oil, okay? And then you rub it in the rim, okay? And also lemon zest. And then you also express the lemon, okay, and put it in. Okay, here you have it, old-fashioned, the classic cocktail.